Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Cats I'll Create and welcome back to our channel. And today I am doing a farmhouse collaboration and it is hosted by Crafty Beginnings Michelle and my scrapbook loft Miss Judy. And we were supposed to do a farmhouse Christmas collaboration, and it's using basically stuff from your stash, nature stuff in your household. You were not supposed to buy anything, so I did not. So hey, I'm so proud of myself because I'm actually starting to use my stash. So anyways, let me go ahead and show you what I created. But before that, I hope you like my channel and hopefully you subscribe. And if you haven't been here, hi. And I will link all the other ladies that are on this collaboration down in the description below, so you guys could go over and check them out. So this is what I created this time. So I went ahead and made a tag. So this can be a tag or a Christmas ornament, and I went ahead and I have used these ribbons again. As you guys see, it's flow. I'm trying to flow everything together. I use this ribbon that I've had in my stash, and then I used some garland, and I went ahead and cut some of it because it was a little too long. And then I went ahead and put some of the stuff that I've had laying around, and these beads, I've had them for a while as well. I've been trying to use them up, and this was a perfect opportunity to use this. Now this on the bottom, it's actually supposed to be a tag. So this is the big die that I have, and it's a ticket and tags die, and this was gifted to me by Vicky. Vicky, I forgot your YouTube name, but I will put it on here. I promise I will put it on here. So sorry. So I'm so happy to use it. It is a ticket die, and I use that. And then I also use these big XL letters. Now for this I used a foam. This is the 99-cent foam, cardboard foam that they have. And then I went ahead and highlighted the lettering with a white marker, and that is about it. So like I said, you could use this as a tag on a gift, or you could use this as an ornament, and I thought it turned out so darn adorable. Well, anyways, everybody, thank you for joining us, and for all the other ladies that participated. You guys made amazing projects. Love watching all of you guys. And thank you, Miss Judy and Michelle, for allowing me to take part of this collaboration. I had so much fun creating, and thank you again. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.